First team, places please. Camera crew, what's your 20?
A camera in position, standing by.
Okay, stunt team, listen up. Please enter the seat directly in front of you. As with any driving stunt, safety first. Once seated, please pull back on your lap bar, keeping both legs inside the lap bar and feet under the orange padded foot bar. Stay seated, keep your head against the headrest, and your hands and arms inside the vehicle at all times. Secure all loose articles or leave them with the crew before we roll. Gotta get this in one take, so let's make it a good one, people.
Yeah, this is Chopper 1. Bird has flown. We are in the air in position. Over.
Picture up.
Action! Push up on your lap bar. Gather all loose articles and exit to your left. And enjoy the rest of your day here at Paramount's King's Dominion.